Bitcoin's moving average is giving cause for concern. Crypto.com gets new privileges in Singapore. Celsius Network gets a new bailout offer. Meet the new Meta Cricket League. USDC is working towards the title of top stablecoin. Cardano is working on a huge new dApp, and Solend officially dodges a bullet. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie, and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we are here to bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments. And as early investors in the crypto space, we have an eye for potential opportunities that we want to share with you. Have a look at our Altcoin Buzz Access Pro Hub for all kinds of crypto opportunities. Plans start at $99 a month, and you can sign up below. And we have an exclusive giveaway with the MEXC exchange, and there are less than 7 days left for new users to win up to $6,699 in bonuses. To be eligible, you need to start trading, and then you can tap into a chance to win $2,500 in USDT, a lifetime 10% trading fee discount, and a month's membership of Altcoin Buzz Access Pro for free. Click our exclusive link below to start before the deadline. And don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so you're always up to date with our news, deep dives, and great offers. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. Bitcoin's grip on 20K may be slipping away. Not only did the BTC USD trading pair wick below the $20,000 threshold just a day after the pair made it to $21,700, and as we see in this chart how the trading pair has been consistently wicking down over the last few months, this last red candle has fallen below its 200-week moving average, which is the purple line on the screen. This could be cause for concern as some analysts are predicting that Bitcoin could find lower lows before finding a new accumulation range, which could still be under the 200-week moving average anyways. And change has been in the air to start the week. On-chain analytics firm Glassnode is reporting that Bitcoin whales have transferred over 50,000 Bitcoin between June 20th and the 21st, which isn't giving Bitcoin's near-term future lots of confidence. Crypto.com is making new ties with Singapore as the crypto exchange has just received in-principle approval from the country for a major payment institution license. The Monetary Authority of Singapore has yet to grant the license, but should Crypto.com receive that license, then the exchange will be able to expand its payment services within Singapore's Payment Services Act, and that includes creating and executing a digital payment token to Singaporean customers. Celsius Network has received its second buyout offer to avoid insolvency, but whether or not they take it is a different story altogether. But this time, DeFi lender Change has come forward to acquire certain assets and businesses under the Celsius Network name. Change has not released which assets that they would be, but did promise to retain all of the Celsius Network employees should the acquisition go through. Nexo was the first competitor to come forward to buy Celsius out, and they didn't waste any time with their demands. Shortly after Celsius announced its withdrawal pause, Nexo offered to buy the network's debt obligations, certain licenses, and assets. The first ever Meta Cricket League NFT collection is here. Guardian Link's latest Jump.Trade NFT platform is pushing play to earn by bringing cricket to esports. And its new Meta Cricket League made it on the scene with 55,000 NFTs, and the entire collection sold out in under 9 minutes. The collection includes pieces from legendary cricket players, like signed bats and player NFTs. The next stop for the Meta Cricket League is to drop its game on Jump.Trade. The play-to-earn cricket game will be available on web and mobile platforms, with users building their team with the batsman and bowler NFTs to get started into a team of 4 players. Then users and their team can earn chances to level up their NFTs, as well as earn USDT rewards on a daily basis. The best way to get started is to hit up the Jump.Trade NFT marketplace to pick your NFTs and unlock this pioneering esports game for its big beta launch at the end of June. You can start browsing the marketplace at the link in the description. At a time when stablecoins have been taking on the lion's share of this market FUD, USDC is making a run to become the top stablecoin, and its real volume has flipped Tether on the Ethereum network. Circle's USDC pulled in $1.1 billion of real volume, compared to USDT's $579 million over the last 24 hours. And on top of that, USDC supply has been growing by about 13% since mid-May to nearly 56 billion tokens, eclipsing Tether, which has been shedding its supply from over 83 billion stablecoins to an 8-month low of under 68 billion tokens in the last 24 hours. Cardano is still making waves, even though we're patiently waiting for the Vassal hard fork. Cardano developer Input Output says that it has been developing the network's own light wallet. Reports say that the project has been named Lace, and that users would be able to manage, store, and control their cryptocurrencies on the Cardano blockchain. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson says that Lace has been in development over the last 6 months, and when it is up and running, it will continue evolving as the blockchain grows, with new features being gradually released. And finally, Solana's DeFi lending protocol Solend is probably breathing a huge sigh of relief after barely avoiding a fatal crash. One whale wallet that held a loan of about $108 million, made up of the majority of Solend's SOL tokens on top of USDC and USDT, nearly got liquidated because the price of SOL tokens dipped to as low as $27. Now, if the price had dipped to $23 or less, it would have been game over for Solend, and 95% of its SOL deposits would have been liquidated. Solend eventually went through a series of votes to enact new governance in this drastic situation, but now the crisis has been averted since the whale wallet in question has spread out some of its loans by moving about $25 million worth of USDC debt to Mango Markets, which is another Solana-based lending protocol. And now Solend's risk of another liquidation crisis has been cautiously reduced. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So are you getting mixed messages from Bitcoin metrics? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, please smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons to get all our latest content. And have a look at the rest of our channel. Make sure you check out our MEXC tutorial on the screen. There are less than 7 days left, so do not miss out on this huge crypto giveaway. And as always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.